Hello student, good morning to all of you. Hope last video you enjoy and understand that. If anybody have anything doubt, you can ask me. Today we read about data communication, component of data communication, method of data transmission. First we are going to read about data communication. What is data communication? Data communication means data exchange between two or more computers. That means when we know what is network, when two or more computers connected between them and share data, we can call their computer network. When we share data between them or between device, there is need in network, that is two or more computer, then need a transmission medium, that is wire or wireless. Already I told about that. So when we data transmit between sender and receiver, there is some rules. Then the rules are delivery, accuracy and time limit. Delivery, accuracy and time limit. What is delivery? Delivery means network should deliver data proper place. That means when we send data from sender, that should be reach destination with properly. That means data should not be deviate their direction, or it should not be it should not be losses. आमे कहवाक गले जितेबाला आमे डाटा सेंड करिथाओ सेंडर रु रिसीवर को से तार डायरेक्शन उचित डायरेक्शन रे जाइकी जोठी को आमे पठै थाओ सेठी पहुंचीबार आवश्यकता रहिछि, ताको आमे डिलीवरी माने कहि थाओ. इट शुड नॉट बी चेंज इट्स डायरेक्शन और प्लेस. जोठी को आमे पठैछु सेठी ही पहुंचिया. जदि आमे 1 रु पठैछु 2 को पहुंचीबो बोली से 2 को ही पहुंचीबो, 3 को जीवो नाही. that is delivery, rule of delivery of data communication. Then accuracy means data communication should be free from fault. That means when we data send from receiver to sender to receiver, it should be correct. That means आमे जितेबाला डाटा सेंड करथाओ सेंडर रिसीवर से कौनसी प्रकार भूल तथ्य किंबा भूल न हवा कथा से ठीक से पहुंचिया दरकार, एक्यूरेट है कि पहुंचिया दरकार, कौनसी प्रकार मिसफॉल्ट है कि. देन टाइम लिमिट. आमे जितेबाला when we send data from sender to receiver, it should be a proper time limit. That means when we send a data from sender to receiver, it should be a proper time. That means 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds or 5 seconds or 5 minutes, whatever. आमे जितेबाला सेंडर रु रिसीवर को डाटा सेंड करथाओ से निश्चित भाव में जेतिकी समय रे पहुंचिया कथा सेतिकी समय रे पहुंचिया दरकार. जेतेबेले आमे सेंडर रु सेंड करथाओ सेतेबेले ही तार समय निर्धारित हेइथाय, 2 सेकंड किंबा 3 सेकंड किंबा 5 सेकंड, व्हाटएवर द टाइम. This is about your data communication. Then component of data communication. What are the component of data communication? Data communication have 4 component mainly. First is sender, then receiver, then medium, then protocol. 4 component are there. First thing is sender. Sender means what? The device send data to receiver. That means when a device send data from here to there, where from we send, that is sender, where data receive is receiver. Just like our mobile, when we send a message from our mobile to another mobile or your friend mobile, that is sender to receiver. When we send, we are sender, and those receiver. Simultaneously, when we have message or inbox from other, that is we are receiver that time. तामाने आमे जेतेबेले सेंड करथाओ आमे सेतेबेले सेंडर आ जेतेबेले आमे रिसीव करथाओ सेतेबेले आमे रिसीवर. आमे जेतेबेले सेंड करथाओ रिसीवर सेतेबेले रिसीव करथाए डाटा. That is sender and receiver. Then medium माने that is your wire or wireless connection between sender and receiver. तामाने आमे जेतेबेले डाटा सेंड करथाओ से जो वायर किंबा वायरलेस माध्यम रे आमे डाटा सेंड करथाओ ताको आमे मीडियम कहताओ, जाके आमे तार कहताओ. Then protocol means there is some rule between transmission takes place between sender and receiver. आमे जेतेबेले डाटा सेंड करथाओ सेंडर रु रिसीवर को किछि रूल्स ता पाए थाए. जेमिति कि आम मोबाइल फोन रे आमे जनक को मोबाइल नंबर कॉल करथिले ताको ही जाई थाए आउ तार पई गोटे नंबर रही थाए. सही परिका प्रोटोकॉल माने सेंडर रु रिसीवर को जीवा पई मेसेज किबा डाटा गोटे रूल रही थाए ताको प्रोटोकॉल बोली आमे कहि थाओ. That is about your data component of data communication.